Okay, rednecking in the high desert. A couple of weeks ago, this is one of my septic covers, and I ran over it on accident a couple of weeks ago and kind of caved it in a little bit. So we're supposed to look. Here's another one. It's kind of covered up. I have to sort of unbury these every year and unscrew them, and I got to do the deed. I have to clean. I don't clean the whole septic out, but I have to. There's a filter in there that I have to clean out and stuff. It's kind of nasty. Anyways, so I ran over it, and my problem was when I took this lid off, I thought I should just be able to sort of stand on it or press it back down, but it's really, really hard, and I couldn't figure out a way to. I couldn't get enough leverage to do what I'm trying to do. So I thought, well, what better way to put leverage against the lid than just flip it over on the hole it's supposed to be covering. And then I'm using the brick as weight distribution and to sort of press down on the whole lid. And I've got my jack there. All right, my camera stopped on me because it was full. But anyways, I'm going to get set up on my tripods, and we're just going to see. We're both going to find out together if this is going to work or not, so I'll be back in a moment. All right, here we go. What are you doing, Mick? Now, to be clear, I tried a couple different things before this. I figured this would be easy. I tried 3 different things, none of which worked. I obviously needed a lot more leverage and pressure. So that's why I came up with this idea. And hopefully it'll just pop back down. It is moving. I can see it moving. Well, it's just not popping down now. Here it goes. We're almost there. There we go. Hot dog. Oh man, my jack's twisting. Well, I thought my jack was gonna shoot out from under there. Boy, that totally worked. Yeah, good as new. Nice. I'll have to get the screws and put all that back together, but totally worked. Awesome. I don't feel so dumb now.